Today is Tuesday and we're heading to our first gig of the week. Dahil close lahat ng hotel, so we were contacted to sing for this specific person which is celebrating her birthday today.
Her or his birthday?
Her birthday. Okay, and then so we will HaRana. Mag-HaRana kami sa kanya, surprise HaRana. So we're on our way there. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. This is the place kung saan kami mag-HaRana. Okay, dito yan, dyan. Hindi. Madadali yung sasakyan. O, doon, ingat. And then, ayan ang kakantahan namin. Yung Kiki's Boutique. Okay? Bibiglain namin.
Wala naman daw siya.
Sige, para ka lang doon sa may jeans.
Reserve? Jing to?
Oo. Diyan ang aming haranahin. And this is actually our second time na mag-HaRana. The last one was 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So, ganyan. So, wala lang. Etchos lang na HaRana. 3 or 4 na kanta, that's it. Ayan.
Mag-miss yung kanyang eyes.
Oh, ayan. Surprise kami kay Ate Irene.
Maybe you can...
Ayan. Surprise. Hello, Ate.
Kapag nag-click, ilagay niyo
anak ni Ate Irene. Ayan, ready na kami lahat. Kompleto talaga. Ready na tayo, team.
Tara. Wala ka mahal, ikaw kakanta.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami, but for you, Langga, happy birthday! Totally surprised. So your kapatid ba ay naghanda talaga ng napakagandang board para sa iyo. Oh my, OMG. She's crying. She's crying. Oh. Oh my goodness. Sige na. Speechless.
So one more time. Oh, you blow first.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Because I couldn't give anything to her, so I tried to think, the unique way that for her to make her happy. So,
OMG.
so much, okay? I'm proud of you. You just don't know and how much I love you.
Yay!
Ano kaya yan?
Yeah, just
iPhone 11?
That's from Dollar Days. I was there earlier. Just like it. Oh, yeah. Just break like this. That's fine.
Ano kaya yan?
Sorry, there's customer.
Ay.
That's okay. No, go ahead. Just, wear your mask.
Okay, yeah. Hold on.
Can I just cut it? Yeah, just cut it now. Okay. We're so exciting. Shout out to Dollar Day.
Shout out to Dollar Day. Nintendo. Ano kaya, ha? Oh my God! Oh my goodness!
It's just clothes inside. It's clothes from Kiki.
Oh my God!
I've always wanted an iPad. Now she can play PUBG in big screen.
OMG.
There's another.
So hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng case lang ka. Complete. Tapos na kami mangharana for 2 songs. So we got $100. Daddy, anong masasabi mo?
Nakakaiyak pala.
Naiyak ako. Naiyak talaga ako. Ayan, so we're heading home. Kasi, oh, we're heading home kasi nga yung anak namin natutulog pa. At of course, namimiss agad ko yung mga aso, Daddy. Kasi hindi namin hindi na ako sanay na hindi namin sila kasama. Kung pwede nga lang kung saan kami kumain, kasama namin mga yun. But yeah, hindi po pwede. So we're heading home. Kakain kami sa labas dahil ito yung nakuha namin for 2 songs.
Hello, kuya.